Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Today we're going to make my special macaroni pie. Everyone has their own way of making macaroni pie, so this is my way of how I like to make it. We have the traditional ingredients. So we'll start off with adding our butter. Right, adding our onions, chopped onions. To caramelize a little bit, getting the caramelization on the onions helps bring out the flavors in the onions, as well as the pimentos and the garlic that we're going to add. And add some chopped thyme. Right, we stir it up and we let it sweat for like about 2-3 minutes, and then we add our dry ingredients, then the milk, and then the cheese. So generally we want to make a nice cheese sauce with our steamed seasonings in it. Right, now that our vegetables are steamed and we let it sweat for a little while, we add the cream. Our dry seasonings. Here we have salt, cayenne, garlic granules, and black pepper. Our fresh celery. Our mustard. This is the favorite part for most people, cheese. Okay. Alright, we want to leave back a little bit for on top of the pie to give that nice crust. Right, last we want to add our eggs, but you want to turn off the heat before we add the eggs, because we don't want the eggs to coagulate too much and have your nice cheese sauce look more like scrambled eggs rather than a nice cheese sauce. So we turn off the heat and we gradually add in the eggs. The eggs also add to the fattiness and the flavor of the pie. Some people don't like to use the eggs, but the eggs are optional. But I prefer to use it. It helps bind the pie together. Another option that you can use, if you don't want to use the eggs, you can use vegetarian mayonnaise, which you can get at your local grocery. Right, you want to turn off the heat, and now we're going to add our macaroni. Making sure we stir in the sauce evenly. Add some more milk if necessary. And then we pull over to our greased Pyrex dish. Nice. It's your choice, light or heavy. I preferably like it a little heavy on the cheese, but on top. And then we place in the oven, our preheated oven at 350 for about 30 minutes.